Okay, so you were asked to model transcription and translation. Can you tell me a little bit about the evolution of your model, where you started and where you ended up?
Sure, so we started with our original idea, which was like a box of crayons, taking the crayon out and then making like a painting. But because there was too many limitations within this diagram, we ended up having our final idea, which was having a university and then our teacher being from that university and then spreading the knowledge within the cell of a classroom.
And the box of crayons, that model that you first started out with, what were the limitations on that original model that you developed?
Okay, well that didn't work because we said that the DNA was the box of crayons, but then we said that the RNA was a singular crayon, which like wouldn't be correct because it would be DNA, like a part of the DNA, because you'd be taking out the crayon from the DNA, so that would just be part of the DNA. And
Okay.
then, yeah.
Perfect. And then on your final rendition of the model, so you went like a college, university training a teacher, and then a teacher
Teaching a class.
Teaching a
Us gaining
class.
knowledge.
Okay, and so let's put in, let's use some predictive power with your model. What would happen, how would you relate that to a mutation in DNA and the impact on the cell, which you told me your cell is the classroom,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And the students would be the organelles.
Yeah.
So how would that, explain that aspect of your model for me.
This would be translated into a mutation if the teacher was given, like, if wasn't prepared by the university properly, then they would be spreading bad knowledge almost to students, so therefore the students would learn. So that would be a mutation in our diagram.
Okay, now Honest Engine, not because I'm just sitting right here and I'm your teacher, did this process of modeling, and which you're working on now with your Chalktastic,
Yeah.
did that help in your understanding of transcription and translation?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because at the start we didn't understand that like we couldn't take something out
Out of it.
Out of the
Yeah.
DNA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
That RNA is different than.
then, okay, thanks guys, that was awesome.
Thank you.